Port Macquarie-Hastings is home to 80,000 people, growing to 100,000 people in the next 15 to 20 years. We have beautiful waterways, we have stunning hinterland, we have a thriving local economy and a buzzing sports, arts, culture and foodie scene. Hi, my name is Craig and I'm the General Manager of Port Macquarie-Hastings Council. We employ over 530 people here at Council. We have an operating budget of around $179 million and we have an absolutely dedicated focus on engaging our staff so that we can deliver more for the community. We are a regional leader and we work hard to deliver value to our community. In fact, in 2017 we were named the A.R. Blewett Memorial Award winners as the most progressive council in New South Wales. Now what we are looking for is a passionate, experienced, strategic leader who can help guide our infrastructure needs into the future. This is, as I've already stated, a growing area and we need to make sure that we have someone who can manage that growth for us. You will look after our capital works program, our maintenance and design programs across key asset classes such as roads, water, sewer, stormwater, to name a few. It is an enormous challenge, but we have the most talented team you'll work with in order to continue to deliver for our community. I encourage anyone who wants a role in a regional area but with a city feel to apply for this job. We're after an experienced director or an experienced leader across any industry. Where else can you come to a regional location like this with the growth that we're experiencing? It really is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We are building our future together and we really look forward to you joining our team.